Uh-huh. Hey up. Wop, wop, hey up. Ooh. Wop, 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 hey up. There. You know the block is coming again. And then you, hey up. There. This video is going to give you proper Muay Thai footwork to land those Muay Thai roundhouse kicks. Are you ready to cook?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Everyone knows the basic first day Muay Thai round kick. Am I right, Tito?
Yes, sir.
Let's show them real quick. Bam, basic first day. Wham, up and down. That's a basic kick. It's no setup, it's no punches, it's no feints or anything like that. So your opponent isn't dumb. They train just like you train. So if you constantly do the same momentum, the same rhythm, the same style of kick, eventually either one or two things is gonna happen. Your opponent or your partner is gonna either catch the kick or they're gonna block the kick. We're gonna give you some footwork that's gonna allow you to outsmart them, make you that much better than them, all right? So pay attention. We got the day number one, Tito. Now, guys, I want us to work the hezi. The hezi is just like it sounds. Before you do your basic regular Muay Thai kick, you're gonna do a hezi, which is short for a hesitation. So I'm here, watch the footwork on the hesitation. It's so important. Step, step, wham, just like that. Your basic kick, your opponent is already hip to your timing, bang. Now you give them the hezi. Watch the feet one more time. Hesitation, hesitation, and then kick. Your back foot doesn't touch the ground, so you're not saying hesitation, up, down. No. Your hesitation or stuttering while the knees are bent. When you're practicing this at home or on the bag, the knees are bent and they stay bent the whole time. Wop, wop, then kick, okay? During that hesitation, if your opponent or your partner gets your timing down, that hesitation is for them to hold their leg up, right? So if I kick regular, he blocks, boom. Now you think it's coming again, so you hesitate. Whop, you see, now it's up, yes. And then you hesitate again. If he's blocking, you can kick over, but most of the time, the block is gonna go down. So I whop, they block, then they come down, and then you'll kick. But again, like I said, even if they hold their leg up, you whop, whop, you kick over right there on his hands. Wham! Wow. Easy enough. Ready to show him quick?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the hezi. Watch the feet. A little bit faster though. Good. When you're doing this hezi, guys, you have to have your body relaxed. Nice and tranquilo. Very good. That hesitation was so fast that honestly, I wasn't even able to react. So this is a game of wits. Who's smarter? If you see you're throwing the hesitation and they're not reacting, slow it down just a bit, and that's gonna make them bite. All right, so slow it down just a little bit to make him bite. Come on. There you go, very good. Again. Wop, 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 there we go. Very good, very nice, outstanding. So that's the hesitation. That's the first piece of footwork that we're gonna give you when landing that Muay Thai round kick. Very nice. The next one that we have for the Muay Thai footwork to land that roundhouse kick is the rear leg fake. Very simple. Check us out. Day number one, body kick. Bam, we got that down. Now you're gonna do that rear leg fake. This is my rear leg. Watch how I fake it. It's a bop, then I kick. Wham, just like that. I'm gonna slow it down for you guys, all right? Because this is a very effective move. Look at how I move off the center line. Look at the front foot. Look at the lead foot, okay? Because it's a little bit open. Touching from my distance. Whop, here it is, that's it. I'm taking my rear leg and I'm faking. He doesn't know if a teep is coming. He doesn't know if a body kick is coming. But remember, it starts off with the regular kick. He just has good timing on the block. You're gonna bring the rear leg slightly in front of you. Here. Next, you're gonna make sure that you're off that center line. This is the center line. Make sure that you're off the center line. You're not straight on it. After you're off the center line, you're gonna bring the rear foot back behind you. Then you're gonna kick, boom. One more time, very slow. Touching, rear leg goes front, goes behind you, and then you kick. You're not gonna let the back foot come down and touch the ground. You're gonna use it like a spring. Use it with that quick reaction. So, bob, wop, see? That's the reaction. I'm off the center line. He's already dropped his leg. He even knew it was coming. So imagine if they don't know it's coming. If you notice, my back foot hasn't touched the ground yet. I'm off the center line, my hip is already open. Doesn't touch the ground, and from there you spring off. Turning, wham, just like that. Are you ready to show them fast?
Yes, sir.
Tabernacle. Let's set it up. Body kick, whop, he blocks. You know the block is coming again, and then you, there we go. FEMA, make sure the body's nice and relaxed, guys. Moving like a snake. Feint, you can mix it in too. Feint a little bit, he doesn't know. Feint and then do it. Okay, mix and match. Add in what you learn. Make it your own recipe. Go that way. There you go. Regular body kick. Good. He got the timer now. Now you have to fake him out. There we go. Very nice. Next up on the menu to land those Muay Thai roundhouse kick, we're going to give you a footwork that I call switch to switch. You ready? Yes, sir. Here we go. Check this out. We're going to make this very simple, guys. We always like to make the moves very simple. Simplicity is the essence of understanding. This is no difference. Here, just like it sounds, switch, bop, to switch, bop, body kick, wham. One more time. Just like a regular switch kick, boom. You have the same footwork. So I'm gonna touch, switch. He doesn't know if a left kick is coming. He doesn't know if a straight to body kick is coming. There's so much that you can do with this move. And from here, I'm in a southpaw stance. All you do is throw the switch kick from the southpaw stance. Back, wham. Just like that. It's all about footwork. You don't want to be too close when you do this because you need room to operate. So I'm here, bop, there we go. So you switch, think a block is coming. See, my hips is already open. They're not closed. My hip is already open. My back foot has not touched the ground yet, all right, because we need something to spring off of. And from there, wham, still open, still hasn't touched the ground. Why? Bang! Back to guard. Easy enough?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Let's go. When you do this move, it's about setups, okay, guys? Remember, this is about setups. So set them up with the regular kick again. Whop, good. We're outsmarting them. He think another block is coming. Switch to switch. There you go. We're playing a game of chess, mental chess. Make them bite. If I switch southpaw, bop, he's not moving. He didn't raise his leg. He didn't do anything. I'm gonna take the body kick. All right. If I switch southpaw, now he lifts. Okay, then I do it. All right. So take your time. Learn the game. Bop. Switch southpaw. Then switch. That's how you do it. Now make it faster because he's hip now. He's blocking now. Switch. Up. You see, too late. When he lifts, then you kick. Sell it. So now that you guys have the 3 basic fundamentals of how to add that proper Muay Thai footwork to land those body kicks, we're going to show you how to add all 3 of them. Basically creating your own sauce, creating your own meal, making your own artwork. This is how you're going to do it. Very nice. There we go. Very good. Very good. So now let's add a little bit of flavor to it. Let's put the left kick in there also. You're going to choose 1 to 3 of the footwork techniques that we just did, and you can either add right or left kick. Are you ready?
Yes.
So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.